The School of the Lady of Baqi, Lady al-Banin, peace be upon her. Chapter 19, the final chapter. وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا مِن بَعْدُ وَهَاجَرُوا وَجَاهَدُوا مَعَكُمْ فَأُولَئِكَ مِنكُمْ وَأُولُو الْأَرْحَامِ بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلَى بِبَعْضٍ فِي كِتَابِ اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عَلِيمٌ. And those who believed afterwards, and emigrated, and strove along with you, they are of you. And blood relatives, according to the Book of God, are closer in inheritance and claim than other believers. Surely, God has full knowledge of all things. Surah Mubarakah al-Anfal, verse 75. Verse 75 of Surah al-Anfal speaks of migration, hijrah, and striving, that is, leaving the state of remaining passive, rising, moving, and standing in the path of God, and of the later ones joining the earlier ones in this matter. The reality of hijrah, as was mentioned earlier, is migration toward tears, weeping, and lamentation, which today flows from the blessed eyes of the greatest wali of God, may our souls be his ransom, and is a return to the origin of one's own nature. As we read in a passage of the special ziyarat of Imam Hussein, أتيتك زائرا ألتمس ثبات القدم في الهجرة إليك. O Aba Abdullah, I have come to you as your visitor, and I ask that you keep my footsteps firm on the path of migration toward you. What fulfills this movement, rising, migration, and return toward the Imam, is the weeping over the Mawla of tears, Aba Abdullah al-Hussein. It has been explained that self-sacrifice for al-Hussein takes two forms: the offering of the heart's blood, and weeping. When one was in the company of the Imam at Karbala, it was in the form of shedding blood and offering the heart's essence. And after Karbala, it is in the form of tears, weeping, and lamentation, which today flow morning and evening from the blessed eyes of the greatest wali of God, Sahib az-Zaman, may our souls be his ransom, over his lonely grandfather. From this outpouring it is that the whole world weeps for Hussein, son of Ali. This weeping, which is another form of that very self-sacrifice, becomes the cause of people's migration, their rising and striving, and their return toward Aba Abdullah al-Hussein. And in this way, it joins the later ones to the earlier ones in this matter. The self-sacrifice that takes the form of offering the heart's essence is the fruit of the outpouring of the heart's blood, which, إن لقتل الحسين حرارة في قلوب المؤمنين لا تبرد أبدا. And this very blood, after the recounting of the tragedies and the holding of mourning ceremonies, is transformed and flows forth in the form of tears. It has been indicated that the teacher of the school of self-sacrifice for al-Hussein is the Lady of Baqi, al-Abbas, al-Banin, both through raising sons who at Karbala offered the essence of their hearts, and through the mourning ceremonies that this noble lady, following her Mawla, the Aqila of the Hashemites, Zainab al-Kubra, peace be upon her, would hold after the tragedy of Ashura for Aba Abdullah al-Hussein, when she said, أولادي ومن تحت الخضراء كلهم فداء لأبي عبد الله الحسين عليه السلام. Therefore, the school of the Lady of Baqi, Lady al-Banin, is an unparalleled model for all believing men and women until the end of history, and her blessed being is a foundation, mishkat, for all those who follow and emulate her in self-sacrifice for al-Hussein.